We know that inspiration strikes when you are on the move. And Kia Connect is here to help you while you are out looking for it. All you need is a smartphone or a smartwatch to access more than 66 smart features that'll elevate your Kia ownership experience. Moving to a new city can be daunting. Unfamiliar roads and confusing names often make reaching your destination a little stressful. But that shouldn't hold you back from exploring, right? So, for you, the Kia Connect app makes navigating the unknown a cakewalk. In a new place, getting someone who knows their way around to keep an eye out for you makes you feel secure. The Kia Connect app lets you share your vehicle's location for some friendly guidance. To share the car location, tap on Map icon, tap on the Find My Car icon, enter PIN. Find My Car display reflects on screen. Tap on the vehicle marker. Tap on the Share icon. Share the location through SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger. And in case you're worried that someone may be driving your car without your knowledge, the Kia Connect app lets you live track it. To track your car's live location, tap on Map icon. Tap on Live Car Tracking icon. Live car tracking display pops on screen. Select the car location sharing option. Share live location via SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger. If you own 2 Kia cars, you can smoothly switch between the two and track the one you're not driving. Settled in? It's time to reconnect with your friends and explore the new city. Kia Connect makes coordination with your buddies a breeze by letting you share your car's destination location right from your car. To share destination location, go to All menu screen, go to Map, search a route and start the navigation. While navigating, go to the home screen. Go to Kia Connect. Go to Share Destination. Enter the mobile number and tap on OK. Click on Share. And if you really can't decide where you'd like to go, you can search destinations like the newly opened restaurants and multiplex and set up navigation for them. If you're using the Kia Connect app, click on Map icon, click on Search bar, click on Eat and Drink, Filling Station or Multiplex as per your need. If you're doing it through your car, simultaneously on your vehicle, go to All menu screen, select Navigation, click on Place of Interest, POI category. Tap on the available POI option of your choice. Select the POI and click on Set as Destination. If you're sitting at home and browsing for options, Kia Connect lets you find and send your route to your car. Keep your route map ready when it's time to go. Click on Map icon, click on Search bar and find your POI. Select POI. Tap on Send to Car and click OK. Enter PIN. Destination successfully sent notification pops up. Kia Connect will also take the responsibility of giving you live traffic updates, like what roads to avoid and peak or smooth traffic hours, getting you to your destination smoothly. To help you plan your travel even better, Kia Connect lets you schedule your trips when synced with your calendar. To sync in your calendar, tap on Personal Service, tap on Calendar, click the checkbox and tap on Start the Calendar View Service. Tap on Sign In and choose your account. Account link to service complete notification pops up. An event on your calendar automatically updates on your application. To view the same event on your vehicle, follow these easy steps. Go to All menu screen. Go to Kia Connect. Go to Calendar. Your event will be visible on your screen. Your Kia will be with you every step of the way. When you set a route and happen to stop the engine before reaching your destination, a notification will be sent to your mobile application for the remaining route. Just tap on the notification to follow directions on the phone through augmented reality guidance or Google Maps. Find it hard to navigate through unfamiliar parking lots? No more snapping pictures or memorizing pillar numbers. Kia Connect will lead you to your car without a hassle. To find your car, tap on Map icon. Tap the Find My Car icon. Enter PIN. Find My Car display will reflect on screen. Tap on the vehicle marker. Tap on Horn plus light. Enter PIN. Pop-up notification will come that the command has been sent to the vehicle. Notification that the remote command is successful pops up on the screen. New or old, whichever road you take, Kia Connect, the ultimate connected car experience, will always be there to show you the way. Stay tuned into this series to understand how the Kia Connect makes for a convenient drive every time you hit the road.
Kia, movement that inspires.